We've all gotten defensive in our relationships. We feel criticized or something and we sort of bristle and have a response that isn't really justified. The antidote to defensiveness is curiosity. Warm curiosity. Why are you feeling that way? Why did you react that way? Why did you say that? Because when we get defensive, we're putting up a wall, and that is going to shut down the relationship or cause more conflict, more friction. And when we're curious, we're opening up the window, the bridge between us. I want to know more. Tell me what's going on. That's really a basic, key, simple tool. So if you tend to get defensive, try to stop yourself. Try to get curious. Try to find out what's going on. Not only why you're reacting the way you're reacting, but why your partner is acting the way they're